Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files from iPhone mobile to Android mobile or vice versa. So first of all, let's get started with iPhone mobile. So first go to App Store and search bar, search for Share It. Click icon download. And now wait until finish download on your iPhone mobile. Let's back to Android mobile and go to App Store and go to search bar and search for Share It. Click install and now wait until finish install on Android mobile. After installing Share It on your Android mobile, now come back to your iPhone. And there is something very important. You should be to connect both of your mobiles in the same Wi-Fi, okay, to transfer your files. So here click open, next, and now close this window and click allow, and now click send. Click allow full access and now select your files that you want to send to your Android. You can select here files, photos, video, music, contacts and more. I'm going to photos and I'm going to select these pictures, and after that click send, and now click allow and click allow and come back to your Android. Click open, click agree, click allow and give the permission to share it. Come back and click receive. Click open, click allow, next, perfect. So here click connect to Android and click allow and scan the QR code and click join. Now wait a moment. Now the files is transferred to Android. Perfect. So here we transfer our files from iPhone to Android. So thank you so much guys for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and see you to the next video.